Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽. Today guys, I told you, if you watched my last video, I told you guys I was going to be bedazzling a box. I already did the LV bag, now I'm going to do the box. As you can see, I already did the letters because since it's the same process that I did on the last video, I already did it. Except here, I'm still using those navy blue rhinestones, but here it is a size SS3. So they are a bit smaller. But it looks super cute, right? So now I'm just gonna do the rest of the box. I am going to be doing the front, top, and sides, and I am going to do this box in a scattered method. So let me show you my materials. I have my pickup tool, I have my liquid fusion, and I have my rhinestones in AB orange. I have them in a size SS6, 10, 16, and 20. This is from a pack I got from Amazon, and remember, all materials are always linked down below in the description. So here real quick, let me show you. This is the bag I did. As you can see, this is in a grid pattern. It's all nice and straight, beautiful. Here I'm gonna do a scattered method. Okay, so let's get started so I can show you how to do it. So again, this was a SS3 rhinestone in a navy blue, and I just went letter by letter. I like to do letter by letter so I have enough time to work with the glue. So I apply the glue first, just doing a little review in case this is your first time watching one of my videos, and then I go letter by letter, filling it in with the rhinestones until I am done. So now let's begin our scattered method. These are the ones I'm going to be using, and when you're doing the scattered method, you can begin on any side wherever you want, because it's basically the rhinestones are just scattered. You're working with the area and you're applying rhinestones as you go, kind of like the little Tetris game. So now with my liquid fusion, I'm just going to start by applying just a bit on a small area right here at the edge of the box, like this. Just a small area because I want to work by section so I have enough time to work with fresh glue. And I'm just going to start applying the rhinestones like that. And this area is a bit curved, as you can see when it turns to the side. Just be careful, work with that edge. So as you can see here, I'm just working with what fits. Like I said, it's kind of like Tetris. So here, I'm done with my first corner. Now I'm just going to continue going by sections, applying more liquid fusion, filling it in with my rhinestones, and just continue. Okay, so now that I'm done with my second section, I'm just going to continue doing the same thing. Okay, so now that I have reached the letters, I'm going to go ahead and fill them in just a bit, and I'm just going to continue with my scattered method around the letters. I found it easier to do the edges. This is something that I usually do too when I'm doing scattered method. Do the edges and then fill in the middle areas. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm doing the edges and the box is coming together. Okay, so I am done bedazzling the front of the box. Look at that. Doesn't the scatter method look so pretty? So now I'm just going to continue the scatter method on the sides, still doing the same thing. Okay, so I am done. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I did both sides. It's looking gorgeous. She did just tell me to do the front side and both sides. I'm still thinking. I kind of want to do the whole box, guys. Wouldn't it look even more gorgeous? But for the meantime, I am done. I'm gonna let this dry and I'll show you guys the final results. Okay, so these are my final results. Look at the box. So when I left you guys, I told you I did the front, the sides, and I was still debating from the top and the back. I did it, guys. look at the box. I just had to. I just felt like it was just, you know, I'm gonna do the sides and the front, might as well do the whole thing, you know. So I did it. Look at that. The top, I just feel like it completes the look. I just had to, guys. Look at this. How gorgeous is this? And I didn't do the bottom, so when she places it as decor, you know, the rhinestones are not in the way. But besides that, the whole box is bedazzled, again with the scattered method. What do you guys think? Let me know. Leave me a lovely comment down below. Let me know what you think. Give it a like if you loved how this box came out. Subscribe if you have not. If you already did, thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you stay tuned because I still have one more box to bedazzle for her. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.